What is up, you guys? It's your girl juliet. Can you focus? Back on your screen. That's not my introduction. What is up, you guys? It's your girl juliet here. Back on another video. I'm back on your screen. I was forgetting my intro. So as you can see, I have a huge plaster on my nose. Why? Because I got my nose pierced. Finally, after like 4 years of wanting my nose pierced, I finally got it. But there's a huge problem, like a humongous problem, right? I'm bleeding to death. So I have my period, so I'm bleeding down there and I'm bleeding up here, and there's no balance. Okay, so I can't be bleeding from the two places at the same time, same flow. We can't be doing that. So I contacted my piercer and they said that it's normal for it to bleed from the 3 to 4 days. So I'm like, okay, but the problem is I have an L, like an L stud, right? And like my stupid ass put it in like the first time I got it, so like I pushed it in so it doesn't like poke out. And the problem is that has dried up blood and like no, new blood on it, and now I can't like push it out to like clean it. So if I continue really bad, then I'm gonna go to the piercer shop and they're gonna have to help me with them like pinzas y cogerle and then clean it, and then, you know. But I'm not scared of infection. I mean, I am, but I know I'm not gonna get one, so hopefully. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna basically warm up a bit of water, which is on the kettle, and I'm gonna put a bit of salt and I'm gonna basically like go like that and let it soak on my piercing, and then yeah. So let me just put a bit of water here. Okay, that's really hot. But I'm gonna put like cold water because I'm not gonna burn myself. Look at my fantastic, I'm burning myself. Come here. Shake. Okay. And then I'm gonna get a bit of like salt and let it be there. Don't mind the mess at the back. I really want to like film one day so I can show you why my house is always dirty. It's not dirty, it's just messed up because of all the construction we're doing. So it's basically that's the reason why. But it's not because like, oh my god, like you live in the no. Yeah. Okay, so I'm scared. I haven't taken off this like plaster. I put it on in the night, so so I can sleep without like ripping it out. Oh shit. We have a little bit of a problem. I think my piercing got caught with the how do you with the plaster. Not great news at all. So I'm gonna have to fix that problem. So I brought my mirror, I brought my hand sanitizer, and then yeah, let's hope for the best. Clean hands, let's go. I don't know why mom put this here, like decorating it. Oh Jesus. Oh no. Look at that. Oh, the amount of no. Can you just guys appreciate what's going on with my nose? 1 second. Look at that. So I bought these Q-tips that are pointed, like pointy, so I can get into the piercing well, like onto the piercing. Oh my god. Okay, so they gave me this solution. It's basically like salt water, but I'm just gonna put it on the thing and then try and clean the crust of it. Guys, this is gonna take forever. It's gonna take forever. Thanks God to the amen to the Lord that it's not hurting at all. Like I don't feel no pain, but I'm scared because I don't see my piercing anywhere. That is literally covered in blood. Like god. What did I get myself into? All I want is to see my piercing again. That's all I want. Like, I want to see the shiny part of it so I can know, so I know where it is. You know what I mean? Okay guys, so I'm doing it and now I see like a little bit of blood on the bowl. I feel like what's going on is that it's just basically like trying to soak off the dry blood, because it's finally like, I think it's finally coming out. If I do this, blood is coming out, so I think we're going somewhere with this. You need to be so gentle. I actually can't see my piercing. I don't know what part of this is my piercing. Oh no, 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 it came out, it came out. Oh my god, yes. Okay, okay, I got this, I got this. Ah. Oh fuck. Okay. Oh, I did it guys. I did it. Whew. I did it. I did it. Okay guys, so I cleaned it. Cleaned as much as possible, but yesterday they did tell me to not clean like the blood completely off, so it can like basically clot and then it doesn't keep like bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. You know what I mean? So it's like kind of like a scab, so it protects it to stop it from bleeding. So I cleaned as much as I could and I just left like a tiny bit. It's not bleeding anymore, so that's good. But it's all good. I'm gonna see when I can go and get it checked out. I'm not scared, but it's just better to get everything checked and make sure that everything's fine. And then yeah, so basically that's the end of this video. I know it was a bit like what the hell, but you know, it's a video. And if you guys want to get a piercing, like a nose piercing, honestly it didn't hurt that much. Like, it wasn't as bad as I thought. It only hurt, like, say if this is the needle, it hurt when it got up to like the middle part of the actual needle, so it didn't even hurt when it went in. It just hurt when they kept pulling down. And then because I have an L shape, so it just hurt when they did like the, you know, like that. And that's really it. Like, it was so quick. I didn't even cry, my eyes didn't even water. I know for some people it does water, but mine it didn't. I didn't feel dizzy. It was just crazy. Like, I was like, what? So yeah, and then just know that the aftercare is very, very intense, as I can see. So stay tuned for other videos. If you guys are one of my bitches, I love you all. I love you. Go and spam that like button and the comments and all of that. And if you're new and you're just like, oh my god, well, why don't you join the family? Like, why don't you join the bitch family? Like, you might as well just like ding 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 ding, you know. So I'll see you for the next one. I hope everyone has a beautiful, beautiful Sunday, and